Hi, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the trunc function in Excel to truncate numbers and standardize your data. So here I have a spreadsheet with some NBA player stats. As you can see, the points per game and rebounds per game have varying numbers of decimals. We're going to fix that using trunc. Click on cell M2. Type truncs. Excel tells us that the trunc function removes the decimal or fractional part of a number. Now I'm going to reference the number in cell L2, so type L2 or click on it with your mouse. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. You can see that 28.86 has now been truncated to 28. To apply this formula down the column, select M2, then double-click the autofill handle, that little green square in the lower right corner of the cell. Excel fills the formula all the way down, standardizing all your points per game. Click on cell O2. Type trunc and reference cell N2. Here's an extra feature. After the cell reference, type a comma, then the number of decimal places you want to keep. For example, typing 4 tells Excel to keep up to 4 digits after the decimal point. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. At first glance, it may look the same, but when you double-click the autofill handle, you'll see cells with fewer than 4 decimal places remain unchanged. Cells with more than 4 decimal places are truncated to 4 digits. If you change that second argument to 1 and autofill down the column, now each cell shows only 1 decimal place. This is how you can use the trunc function in Excel, whether you want to remove decimals entirely or limit them to a certain number. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified when I post a new video.